So the future, I believe, is going to involve a lot more people getting a lot more collaborative. And then there's going to be those that are resistant and don't want to participate that are going to be left behind.
Our office said, hey, we got this new robot that comes out and draws all the plants. I said, all right, let's do it. And then when I actually saw it happen, I was pretty amazed.
It definitely helped a lot with the accuracy.
If you have your control points, the layouts don't lie.
Now this eliminates all the rework. It reduces the time frame of a job by at least a month, if not multiple months. Dusty was easy to adopt. I want it on every one of my jobs.
We are an electrical contractor, first and foremost.
We do commercial, industrial, electrical.
I like telling our clients we like doing the jobs nobody else can or wants to do.
The thing that excites me the most about Dusty is the collaboration that it brings with all the trades. Everyone's actually talking and collaborating a lot more.
Through technology, we're able to partner with our general contractors and other trades to actually bring value to them. So we're all working as one team, bringing up challenges and conflict early, and the technologies that can incorporate that basically you're taking things that would normally happen on a job site into the design phase.
We've now started incorporating full on all trades, laying out walls, soffits, ductwork, chill water lines.
As more of our clients see it, as more of the other trades see it, they start asking questions. And then in the bidding process, they're going, who's doing the layout? Which wasn't a question 3 or 4 years ago.
Dusty's laying out all the electrical, all the framing, mechanical, plumbing, so that we can easily see where everything's at and we can collaborate with all the other trades much easier. And we don't have all those run-ins, like we used to have in the past where we'd put pipe up and all of a sudden a duct has to go there and then we have to rework.
We're dealing with framing, plumbing, mechanical, all those trades. So to be able to walk a floor and to see the layout before anything's installed is amazing.
Doing multi-trade, especially with Dusty, we're able to coordinate with the mechanical and the electrical guys because that's where we get a lot of our clashes.
GCs could probably move their schedules up if they allow us to get Dusty in there before there are any workers going on. The floor is empty. They can probably bump it up couple weeks, 3 weeks, because no one's using tape measures to lay out.
We're laying out tens of thousands of square feet in a couple of days with all trades versus having 4 or 5 framers out here doing chalk lines and then mechanical guys trying to do their layout and plumbers and sprinkler guys and electricians. So now we have literally one layout technician that's already done the collaboration with all the trades that's doing the layout by himself in a matter of a couple of days. Now one person can do all the layout for all the trades instead of having a dozen people out on site doing nothing but layout.
With automated layout, I say if you can do it, do it. Don't even hesitate. It'll cut your cost down, it'll cut your overhead down.
When you're collaborating and you're finding challenges early on in a project, it gives you a lot more time to react and solve the problems. It's already done before they mobilize at the site, before there's material and manpower on site.
And with the new technology, I've seen that I have not had an issue with layout being wrong.
It's going to provide a superior outcome than a tape measure, string, chalk line.
So the things that we're fabricating actually are printed on the floor in their exact locations of where the product that we manufacture is going to be installed. We can actually lay out every device, switches, receptacles, light fixtures and everything before there's a single set in the wall.
One of the biggest issues we're facing is there's not a lot of people getting into the trades. So we have a huge gap of knowledge. So technology helps offset that.
I don't have to have my foreman sitting down with a tape measure, constantly measuring things out and double checking. He can work on other things as far as making sure materials here, making sure that the guys are installing properly.
So if you're going up and down on your knees all day for 20 years, you're going to burn out your body. If a robot's doing that work for you, our people are going to be able to work longer and have more successful careers.
We're using technology to make our teams more efficient. There's a shortage of skilled construction trade workers these days, and so by us taking away tasks that we would normally have a very experienced person doing, like field layout and things like that, now they can focus on the true work, in our case electrical work, rather than spending their time on their hands and knees doing layout.
We're taking a lot of the guesswork and field engineering out of the picture for a lot of these folks. It's just one less thing they have to worry about, and they can go home that much sooner and get on to the next job.
When our guys show up, no plans, No tape measures, no string lines. They know exactly where everything goes day one when they show up on a job without ever having to even carry a set of blueprints to the project.
Well, the end result of the job, it means every trade can go off of that layout mark and know that they're going to be accurate.
It's a great technology. It's getting better. There's constant improvements. We're already on version 2.0 ourselves, and so the technology is improving and we're growing.
It takes a lot of the guessing game out of your job, off the work site.
And you're able to see what's going to be built before it's actually built, and you're eliminating rework, increasing coordination.
It's saving the tradesman's body, it's expediting the layout, it's coordinating for other trades, it's making sure, selfishly, we don't have conflicts. So when it comes time to install, our guys only have to do it one time.
It has helped bring construction to a new level.